Soft, eerie music. Camera pans over a dark suburban home at night. Narrator, calm but tense. It started with a faint scraping sound somewhere beneath their floor. Mark thought it was the wind until the knocks began. 3 slow taps from the basement. Cut. Mark opening the door, flashlight flickering. He went down and found an old cabinet he'd never seen before. Inside, nothing but dust. Then a whisper. "Help me." Sound crackles. Old tape starts playing. Behind the wall, they found a hidden room with tapes that said their names. Someone had been recording them, watching them. Cut. Sarah screaming, front door slamming shut. When police came, no one was found. But next morning, the security footage revealed the camera was inside their basement. And behind the furnace, someone was watching them all night. Screen cuts to black. Faint whisper. "You shouldn't have opened the door."